a fucking monsoon.
Never cuss. Is my sunroof open?
That is a monsoon, baby. I never see it come down this hard.
Oh, that's because you're usually at work. Look, there we go. We're losing some tree limbs.
Oh,
See it?
yeah.
And then that one right there is right above the car.
Oh, great.
Really great. And when we see that flooding like that, we're going to get flooded. Big storm again tonight, July 4th. And big tree limb on my car. Underneath my car, so I'm sure it scratched it. It's hard to see. It's fantastic. Oh shit, just tripped. Smart. It's starting to rain harder now. Oh my goodness. Well, at least that's a big branch that I don't have to cut down now. Or we don't have to cut down now. Oh, yep, that's the, I see it up there. That's the one that I saw part of it. It was dangling earlier, but that's much bigger than what was dangling.